Welcome to Toony Tribe, where imagination comes to life.
One rainy day with skies so blue, Riley found shoes, not just a few. Golden, glowing, tied with light, they sparkled bright like stars at night. A note inside said, "Slip along, and soon you'll travel far and long." Noah came running, eyes open wide. They wore the shoes and took a glide. Whoosh, they landed in desert sand where pyramids and camels stand. A boy waved right and feel the sun. Egypt, they said, was so much fun. The shoes lit up, then zipped through air to Japan's trees with blossoms fair. A girl showed grace she made with grace. They folded paper in a peaceful place. In Brazil, they danced through streets so bright, feathers flying left and right. Joined the samba, kids all cried. They laughed and danced and twirled with pride. Next was Pakistan, trucks full of cheer, painted bright from front to rear. They banged the door, they joined the song, and helped the artists all day long. The shoes grew warm, began to glow. Time to head back home, you know. With memories packed from every land, they held the world in each small hand. So many places, smile so wide. Magic grows when worlds collide. Like this video, come along the ride. Subscribe today and stay worldwide.